orders of the day. We've got a stacked Jack in the Box. This is going to be $13 going 8.5 miles. These orders are 100% not worth it. They're taking way too long. This is not worth it at all anymore. That had to be at least a 15-minute wait, at least. And I've got to meet this person at the door. Like, come on. This is not how I want to start my days. Not at all.
Wake up.
Yeah, those orders were so bad. Well, we got the first DoorDash order of the day at least. This is Starbucks going 4 miles. Yeah, for Ashlyn?
Yes.
Thank you. Total for that was $7 and change. Next up, we've got a Panera. This is going 8 miles.
Here we are.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
So are you. That is crazy. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $6 and change. Like, come on. Next order up, we've got a seasonal bagel. This one is going 4 miles.
Okay, here, Joseph, see?
Yeah, thank you. Hand it to me. You guys are just messing with me today, aren't you? Total for that ended up being $10. Really good order. That's what I've been waiting for all day. And look what I just stumbled upon.
Thank you. Any questions, please let us know.
Yep, no problem. Perfect timing. Got the next order as I was crawling back into my car. This is a Walgreens pickup. I believe it said going 1 mile, so probably not a great order, but should be done fairly quickly. Morning.
Here you go.
Thank you. What a joke. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $2 and change. Finally got the next order. This is Gravity Coffee going 8 miles.
All set.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. You have a good one.
You as well. I've been here before. Last time I was here was not a great experience. So, what are the odds this one is any different?
I can make sure.
Thank you. Got it. Oh, they actually tipped this time. Okay. Total ended up being $14. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This is $11 going 5 miles, 4 items. Morning. Got it. Okay, can I stop meeting people today? I'd much rather just keep to myself, please. Just got the next order. This is IHOP going 2.5 miles.
I wasn't safe.
Sorry, it's not good. For Daniel? I'll go check that. What was the name on your to-go?
Chris.
Use this one and then I'll grab another.
Okay. Thank you. Hopefully you can see this. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $15 and change. That's how long I was waiting. Next up, we've got a Victorino's. This one's going 4.5 miles. Hopefully I don't have to wait 40 minutes for this one burrito. Thank you. Of course it's going upstairs. They have an elevator. Total for that one was $8. I might as well torture myself even more. Next up, we've got a McDonald's going 4 miles. Thank you. Total for that one was $5 and change, and we got the next order right away. This is Wendy's going 5.5 miles. No internet connection. Like, come on, just can something go right today? There we go. Total for that one ended up being $8 and change. Next up, we've got a Cinnabon. This one is going 7.5 miles. Thank you. $1 tip. Okay, I'm over it. Let's go home. Current time is 11:18. Total, we are at 109. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.